Good afternoon, everyone. Let's take a look at what's moving the dollar, the oil, and the gold. So starting with the US dollar index, the greenback rebounded from a 6-week low as strong labor market data helped to support the dollar and lift the treasury yields. And this V-shaped recovery in yields also pressured gold lower. And the jobs report reinforced expectations that the Fed will stay on hold for now. But still, policy uncertainty from the Trump administration, such as the latest tariff hikes on steel, could complicate the Fed's path. And markets are still pricing in a 50 basis point rate cut before the end of the year and possibly starting in September. And some analysts expect that the Fed may wait until December but opt for a full 50 basis point move. As more economic data is due tonight, traders should be prepared for short-term volatility. And turning to crude oil, WTI remains well supported after OPEC confirmed a planned production increase of 411,000 barrels per day in July, and consistent with prior months. And the decision signals a relatively tight market with strong summer demand and resilient economic data helping to balance out any concerns. And looking ahead, we expect OPEC to raise production again in August, but likely to hold steady throughout September. And the key watch point will be whether rising output from non-OPEC shale producers adds pressure later in Q3. And for now, the market appears stable, with upside potential supported by seasonal demand and limited spare capacity. And finally, we talk about gold. We continue to view gold as an attractive asset, both as a geopolitical hedge and long-term portfolio diversifier. And after reaching an all-time high of 3,500, gold pulled back about 6%, but that correction remains within the normal range. And recent support has come from Moody's downgrade of the US credit rating, rising tensions in the Middle East, and ongoing fiscal concerns. And looking ahead, our base case remains bullish with a target of 3,500. And we expect declining US real yields and a weaker dollar to support the prices further. And for investors, we see any dip as a potential opportunity to build strategic exposure, especially within a diversified US dollar portfolio. So that's it for this afternoon. Stay tuned for more data releases tonight and keep a close eye on short-term moves, especially in the rates and commodities. And thank you for watching.